Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and today I have the Poco C75, and guys, and this is a new budget phone from Poco, and this phone is costing around only 32,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and this is the only smartphone in this price range that give you this kind of RAM as well as storage. And the color I have is the green color, and this phone is manufactured in Pakistan, and this phone is powered by Mediatek Helio G81 Ultra SoC, so which is a really decent SoC. So let's remove the plastic and let's quickly unbox the Poco C75. Again, we have yellow box. On this side it says we have Xiaomi HyperOS. So when you open this box, so the first thing we have our Poco C75 in the green color. Now let's start from this box. So now let's start the phone from this wrapping, and these are the main highlighting feature. On the front we have 6.8-inch 720p plus 120Hz IPS LCD display. We have 5160 mAh battery size. On the back we have 50 megapixel AI dual cameras. Also we have a powerful Mediatek Helio G81 Ultra SoC. So here is the green color looks like. This phone looks really beautiful, I would say. We have matte finish on the back, which feels nice. The back is made up of plastic. So anyways, now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's remove this sticker from the front. It feels nice. Now let's see what else we get. And then the phone. So we have our SIM injection tool, and we have our quick start guide, warranty card, no silicone case inside the box. So right there, here's our 33-watt super fast charger, and this is the only smartphone that give you a 33-watt super fast charging in this price range. So also we have our cable, USB type C to USB A cable, which is a really good thing. No hand-free inside the box, no silicone case, which is a really disappointing. We should have a silicone case, because you cannot find a silicone case right now, because this is a new smartphone, as you know. So now let's see the physical overview. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So we have a triple slots, so you can use 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card at the same time. We have rubber gasket, which is in the gray color looks like. So on top we have headphone jack, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on button. It is on the right hand side, in which we have fingerprint scanner. So on the front we have a bigger 6.8-inch 720 plus 120Hz IPS LCD display with a water drop notch on the top, which feels outdated, but it is okay. We have 120Hz. Once again, this is the only smartphone that has 120Hz. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Poco C75. So here all the pre-installed apps we have inside this phone. So here is the notification panel looks like. So here is the max brightness, and the brightness, it is, I would say, really decent, nothing extraordinary. So let's go to the settings, and now let's see Android version. We have Android 14 with HyperOS 1. We have 256 GB of internal storage. Out of we have 229 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. It works fast, as you can see, no issue whatsoever. Let's look at the camera. So this phone has dual cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main, then we have depth sensor. Here's a 50 megapixel looks like. And here is the video mode. The back camera maximum shoot only Full HD at 30 fps. We have time lapse. Here is a portrait mode, night mode also available. Here is the 50 megapixel mode. So let's look at the front camera. So this phone has a 13 megapixel, I think, selfie camera. I'm not sure about that, but the selfie camera looks not really good. Even in this lighting condition, this is a studio light. Here's a portrait mode, and here's a video mode. The front camera also shoot Full HD at 30 fps. Night mode also available. We don't have any slow motion on this phone. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5160 mAh battery size with the 33 watt super fast charging. This phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco C75. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.